Back to the channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to get started with a really easy YouTube niche. Okay, this is only available for PC and Mac. It's not available for mobile. You can actually attempt to do it on mobile, but it's going to be very difficult. I'm going to guide you step by step through the whole process, how to get started with creating this type of content for yourself, so you can get started with this today. If this is something that you would actually want to do on YouTube or online, okay, then watch this video all the way till the end, because it does not require you to speak or even show your face on camera. Okay, so stay tuned and watch this video all the way till the end. If you are new to this channel and like videos about real ways to make money online with no clickbait and no fake earnings, then subscribe to the channel and press the bell notification so you can be alerted each time I upload a new video. And feel free to watch any of the older uploads, as they all provide a lot of value that can actually help you make money online. Okay, so this specific channel on YouTube only uses content from Reddit itself. As you can see, they only use Ask Reddit content. You can see on the thumbnails right there. Now what's great about this channel is that they use robot voice. I will show you the software immediately, not immediately, but in a while, for robot voice. Okay, and also screen capture softwares and video editing. Now to do this successfully and get started from day one with this method. Now what I searched on YouTube scary Reddit stories, okay, because I like listening to these stories sometimes when I'm busy. Okay, and what came up is this video right here, which is also from the same channel. Okay, now just listen to this. I'm going to play a short clip of it.
He doesn't actually know the guy. Larry won't let my uncle go any further and makes him get out of the car. The driver goes on without him. Now that,
as you could have heard, that guy actually uses robot voice, so he doesn't even talk in his videos. Okay, now when you go over to Social Blade, you see his channel right here. He's making almost $30,000 a month just from this channel. The minimum he can make is almost $2,000 a month. But if you're not making any money online, okay, $2,000 a month is quite a breakthrough for you. Okay, now first thing you'll need to do is actually get a screenshot software. You need to go over to Lightshot. Okay, then download Lightshot. It's for Windows and for Mac. I do not know the ones for mobile, but download and install Lightshot. Now the second software you will need is going to be Balabolka. It's completely free. Okay, this is what the dashboard for Balabolka looks like. Okay, you will have your voices which you've got for your PC. Okay, I've got a premium voice which I use for some other channels. Okay. But if you need more voices, the Windows Store does give you free voices. Also, I believe the Apple Store also gives free voices. I'm not too sure about that. And you will need a video editor. I use Movavi, but a free video editor which you guys can use is VSDC. They both work almost exactly the same, and it's very easy to use. Now the first thing you are going to do is find a good story to tell. I would suggest using scary stories or looking at Ask Reddit, because there are channels making huge bank with Ask Reddit. Okay, in creating these videos only takes about 1 hour, 1.5 hours, depending on how much content you would want to add in your video. Now the first thing you will need to do is actually, after you install Lightshot and Balabolka, okay, is find the story, then on your keyboard press print screen. Now you are going to select this area only. Okay, then save it. That's it. Okay, then you copy this, because this is going to be your title. Copy. Now we go over to Balabolka, we paste that in there, we make sure there's no spelling errors, and then we listen to it. Okay.
I discovered my worst fear at my husband's funeral.
Okay, once that's done, you can just export the audio. Okay, as you see there, You can select it for MP3, but I keep it WAV. Okay, Windows Audio, and then we go over to the video editor. Now you need to do this for everything. Okay, so I'm going over to the video editor again. Now I'm going to add my files. I'm going to add those two. Okay, move the audio over, and there. Okay, you can change the background. Okay, you can add any picture you want at the back. Okay, if it's a scary story, maybe add a dark night with moonlight or whatever, but be sure to use images from Pixabay, which is copyright free. Okay, then we are going to select part 2. Now we do print screen again. We're gonna copy that text. Okay, wait, no, all the way up until mom. Copy that text. Open a new file. Balabolka. Listen to it.
Mum, Joey won't let me have my doll back. Joey, be nice to your sister. I replied half-heartedly, struggling to contain the niggling irritation I felt at my kids bickering at a time like this.
Okay, so you're going to save the audio because I'm happy with the audio. So we are going to save the audio. And we go back over to the video editor. Add our screenshot. And we put our audio. We add our audio as well. Move it up to there. And now we need to stretch this clip, this screenshot, all the way just a bit over the audio. Now we listen to it.
Joey won't let me have my doll back. Joey, be nice to your sister. I replied half-heartedly, struggling to contain the niggle.
Okay, now you need to do this all the way till the end for the whole story. Okay, that's gonna be about 20 or maybe even a 30-minute video, and that's all you need to do. Now for your thumbnails, you need to actually go to Canva. Also make sure that your thumbnail will give more or less the viewers an indication, or the potential viewer the indication of what they are going to be listening to. Okay, if you look at this guy's thumbnails right here, okay, when crazy happens. Okay, so you see what his thumbnails, you can create thumbnails for absolutely free on Canva. Now once you've completed your video, all you need to do is name it and export it. Now what we do is we're going to steal some SEO information. Okay, so remember, like the past, I told you to use hashtags within your video description. 3 hashtags. You're going to use Reddit stories, scary Reddit, and ask Reddit, just as it is here. Now we're going down the side with the vidIQ. We're gonna copy all of these video tags and paste it. Okay, when we upload our video in our description, and also in the more options under video tags. And that's basically it. If you have 1 hour a day to actually do this, I can guarantee you within 6 months to a year you will start generating a handsome income from your channel. But you need to be consistent, okay, because these guys post videos almost every day, so you need to be on top with them as well. Okay, this guy does at least 3 videos in a day. As you can see, 1 day ago I uploaded 3 videos, so he's spending a lot of time on his channel. And if you have the time to do it all day, then I would suggest doing at least 2 videos a day, or if you can, maybe 3 a day, but 1 a day should be fine. Just remember to use your SEO properly, okay, and follow his channel, follow other channels in your niche to see what they are doing. So if there's a change in the trend, you need to keep up with the trend. Okay, but that's all from me for today, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this full complete step-by-step tutorial. Okay, if you have any questions, drop them below in the comment box, and I'll try and get back to you as soon as possible. I'll see you guys in the next one, and goodbye.